Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome to another episode with the Savage Dragon. So today we're hiking in the national park with some new friends. So the goal today is to find the biggest, the baddest waterfall we have here on the island. It should be 5 kilometers from where we are now. So we're hoping to get there in 2 hours if we are quick. Once we get there, we're gonna be doing some outdoor cooking and see how it goes. This is in the middle of the dry season now, so the waterfall is not as big as it used to be. There are gonna be 7 waterfalls. There are gonna be 7 waterfalls, so we're hoping we can see all of them today. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a bit. Gotta keep going. These plants here, you know what they are?
Simberry.
Sim, yeah. They're called rose myrtles in English, and in Vietnamese it's sim. You can see here they are 2 green. All right, just gonna show you guys. This plant here is one of the best fire starting material you can find in the jungle. So if you are caught in the rain and you want to start fire when it's wet, then this is like your best bet. In Australia, they're called paper bark. You literally grab them. Looks like this. Just grab a bit like this if you need to make a fire quickly. They will burn like crazy. There you guys at the back. Alright guys, so we're just taking a break right now. We are sitting in what used to be a stream, but it's completely dry now and we're gonna use it as our highway to the big waterfall. So I'm sure we can make it. Show you guys around. We're in the middle of the jungle. There's nothing. Guys, welcome to Phu Quô's baddest and mightiest waterfall in the dry season. Yeah, that's our mightiest waterfall right there, guys. I'm just joking. Anyway, you can imagine in the wet season it would like completely fill up. The water is gonna be this deep here, and you will literally be swimming here, and the water will just fuck you up. Anyway, we are gonna go to the waterfall now. Gonna hit the first waterfall. And then we'll see how many we can manage today. Let's go. Look at that! Yeah, that was mine.
Oh, I already want to jump in.
Okay guys, so we have arrived at our first waterfall. 6 more to go. So let's see. So we should be able to manage it.
Not too much.
Huh?
700 is okay.
Yeah, it's okay. So, are you excited?
Yeah. Or jump in the pool.
All right, guys, survival 101. When you have like water coming from a piece of rock like this, it's completely clean. It's been filtered. It's not contaminated with anything. This is just like fresh spring water. So if you need to refill your bottle, you can do it right here.
Some olive.
Look at that. Holy shit. Look at that. Look behind me, look all around me. Basically, this is like a perfect camping spot. You can literally just pop up your sleeping mat here, and you can just like do an overnight camping here. You can set up camp here, sleep here, do whatever you want. And when you wake up in the morning, just jump into the pool I just showed you guys earlier, or take a shower. Yeah, we'll just set up camp here and make a fire maybe over there. All right. Guys, there are like some jungle guys here who will come and kidnap you. Right guys, so while the girls are swimming, me and Antonio, we are going to get some firewood and some rocks for the fire, because we are providers, aren't we?
Let's go.
Provider, baby! Ah! Alright guys, show you what I got here in my belt. This is my tinder box. This is my fire starting material. Right here. So there are two ways you can start a fire in a jungle when it's wet. You can either use this one, or you can pre-make something like this here. I already soaked this in ethanol, so it will burn like crazy. So when you are camping or hiking in the rain, this is the best bet. Here I have my lighters, this bad boy here, and here I just got some homemade mosquito repellent made by myself with some essential oil for the mosquitoes. And here I got my spices. Look at that, spices. And this is my camping knife. See that? Real easy. All right, guys, say it after me. I am fire. Now some onion. So we are just gonna cook some corn for the vegans. I'm gonna show you guys my special stuff. So you like spicy food?
Yes.
All right, some pepper in here. You want some paprika?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, some paprika. Want some chili flake?
100% yes.
Now you're ready to cook. I'm gonna do my special recipe with the shrimps. It's called Cajun shrimp. Just a little bit of butter.
Little bit.
Garlic. Some German sausages. Got some corn in here. Got this special Cajun spice mix. Oh, yeah. Now some salt and sugar. All right, so here we have some sweet potatoes, some corn, some shrimps, and now we just need to do the Turkish eggs. Bit of butter. All right, time to add in some tomatoes. All right, now some canned tomatoes. Time to season this bad boy up. First, we're gonna start with some paprika, pepper, some chili flakes, and finally some turmeric. We're just gonna add in some sugar and soy sauce to taste. Oh, look at this! Oh my God! Look at this bad boy! So that's our meal right there.
Ready, we're so ready.
Yeah, you're all ready to eat? Let's eat then. Try it.
Amazing.
This is good?
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
I love it.
This is nice.
Did you catch this stream or?
No.
Very good. Oh, spicy. It's like, ew!
We're on our way home now, but we're just gonna pick up some trash on the way. Alright, like this. Bring the trash home, and Antonio is bringing back some too. Picking up trash, guys. We're out of the woods now, just picked up some trash on the way. Yeah. Alright guys, see you in the next adventures. We are so tired now. Just gonna get something to drink. Thanks for your support. Let's be savage together, baby.